27-year-old bug hidden inside every major operating system on the planet. Undetected by thousands of human engineers for nearly 3 decades. Found in weeks by an AI. Not just any AI. Claude Mythos, Anthropic's most powerful model, and it's not even publicly released yet. Let that sink in for a second. An AI that doesn't exist in your hands yet already found a vulnerability that could have exposed every bank, every government system, every hospital database on Earth. This is not science fiction. This happened last month, and almost nobody is talking about it. Let me break down exactly what happened, why it matters, and what it means for you right now. Beat. First, what is Claude Mythos? Mythos is Anthropic's unreleased frontier model, the most capable AI they've ever built. In April 2026, Anthropic launched something called Project Glasswing, a controlled initiative. Select organizations were given access to Mythos Preview before public release to find and fix critical software vulnerabilities. The organizations involved? AWS, Apple, Cisco, Google. JP Morgan Chase, Microsoft, not small names, the backbone of global technology. And what did Mythos find? In just weeks of testing, thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities across every major operating system, every major web browser, including a bug that had been hiding in OpenBSD for 27 years. 27 years. Human engineers, and brilliant ones, reviewed that code thousands of times. Nobody caught it. Mythos caught it in weeks. Beat. Now, why does this matter to you? Because this changes what AI is. Until now, AI was a tool, a very impressive tool. But a tool. You give it a task. It completes the task. You move on. What Mythos just demonstrated is something completely different. AI is now a system auditor, at a scale no human team could ever achieve. Reading millions of lines of code, understanding context across decades, finding patterns that human eyes miss. This is not about replacing programmers. This is about doing something programmers physically cannot do. Read every line of code ever written and find the hidden dangers before someone else does. Beat. Here's the part that should make you think. The vulnerabilities Mythos found, they existed before AI. They will keep existing in systems that don't use AI auditing, which means right now, there are 2 kinds of companies. Companies using AI to find their weaknesses before attackers do, and companies that are waiting. The gap between those 2 groups is about to become very, very large. For creators and entrepreneurs, this is the signal. AI is no longer just about writing faster and working less. It's becoming infrastructure, security, healthcare, finance, the systems that run the world. And the people who understand this now, who build with AI now, are positioning themselves for a shift that most people won't see coming until it's too late. Beat. What does this mean practically? 3 things. Number 1, cybersecurity is the hottest AI niche of the next 5 years. If you're a creator, this is a topic that will get views for years to come. Every company on Earth needs to understand AI security. Number 2, Anthropic is not playing small. Project Glasswing, $200 billion committed to cloud infrastructure, a model that finds bugs no human ever caught. Claude is not just a chatbot, it's becoming the security layer of the internet. Number 3, the era of AI as a toy is over. The conversation has shifted from can AI write my emails to can AI protect our entire infrastructure? The answer, apparently, sir, is yes. Beat. This channel exists to make sure you understand what's actually happening in AI. Not the hype, not the marketing, the real shifts. The ones that change how you work, how you earn, how you build. Claude Mythos finding a 27-year-old bug is one of those shifts. Subscribe, because next week I'm covering the AI tool that just made every graphic designer very nervous. And if you're building globally, if English pronunciation is the one thing holding you back, SpeakPro is in the description. 5 minutes a day, real results. I'll see you in the next video.